This is Don Deems, the Dentist Coach. Thanks for stopping by for the Dentist Coach Insider Strategies. I hope you'll find today's insider strategy useful in your life and practice. My best wishes to you. Hi, this is Dr. Don Deems, the Dentist Coach. I'm here to talk about choosing the right team members and developing what I call your dream team, right? Is it possible to have a dream team? Sure it is. It's not going to happen overnight, but it can happen. So, what are some things that I could tell you that would help you in developing that? Well, besides reading the article associated with this video, here are some suggestions that I would have. The first thing is be very, very choosy when you're looking for a dental employee. Make sure that you believe that they can become a 10 at whatever position that they're going to be in. The second thing is be 100% committed to their success. You know, employees often tell me in dental practices that they didn't really get the training that they need. They were kind of brought in and put in this job without the necessary training. So make sure that you're committed to them getting trained and involve your team in getting them trained also. The second point that I would make is that you want to make sure you hire the right person in the first place. So how do you go about doing that? Well, for sure, one thing for sure, you've got to know exactly what the role is that the person is going to play. There should be a written job description. Use things like references by making sure to call those. Now, the person that you call may not give you a lot of information, but check things like social media sites, for example, which might give you some hints about what's going on. There are online profiles that you can have somebody use and see, does that profile fit, for the position that I'm hiring for. You also want to know things about, even could be a background check. This is becoming more common these days. You can pay for a background check. Make sure that if you're doing that you follow the necessary protocol before you do that. The next thing is make sure that they always work in your office for a day. Okay, don't hire somebody without ever being around them for a day. And then after they're gone, sit down with your team and just solicit their feedback. How did it feel to work around this person? What did they notice? Things like that. We dentists tend to hire somebody too quickly and then let them go too slowly if they're not working out. We also tend to hire people that we like. Well, there's a good reason for that, isn't there? Part of it is because we're going to have to work with them every day. However, just because we really like somebody doesn't mean that they're going to work for the position that we've hired them for. So again, how do you know? Well, one of the ways is using something like a DISC profile. You can certainly contact me to get one of those profiles for a potential employee. I'll be happy to walk you through it. Then the last thing is when you're assembling this dental team is make sure you hang on to the people that you hire, okay? So have a healthy workplace. Watch my video on having a healthy workplace. That's really critical. Do things in your office that will retain good people. You don't want to lose good people because it's very, very expensive to replace somebody. So I'm here to answer questions. Feel free to contact me via email or via phone. My phone is 501-413-1101. And if I can't get your call right when you do call, please leave a message and I'll call you back as soon as possible. So that's for today's briefing on making the dream team. So my best wishes to you. Take care. Thanks for watching today's Insider Strategy. I hope to see you around for future videos. If you have a comment, would like to ask me a question, or have a topic you'd like to see me talk about, please leave your comments in the box below. Thanks again, and my best wishes to you.